Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Mohammad Borno and I'm a student of class 10 of Rajshahi College School. When I was in class 9, I had plenty of leisure time, so I thought I should use these times for my self-improvement. And then I heard about mentors. As I was not so good in English, so I thought that let's try it out. So I got myself admitted in Mentors Rajshahi branch for 2 months of course. I attended their classes, English discussions and debates, and group discussions and lectures of phonetics and more. I started to see some changes in me. Frankly speaking, I became more confident to deliver myself before people. And this course also helped me a lot to improve my interpersonal skill as well as enrich my vocabulary. The teachers there are so cordial and they are very helpful. They will help you in every way you need to. And last but not the least, Mentors is a great platform for you if you really want to learn English and improve your interpersonal skills. So I would suggest everyone to come here and see the differences yourself. That's all for the time being. Thank you, Mentors Rajshahi branch.